Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Roblox Studio, and let's see how to do the stairs in Roblox Studio. Firstly, before doing the stairs, I will create a rig because I want to see what should be the size of the stairs. Okay, it's me, it's rig, and now let us move a little bit my rig and create the stairs. Okay, so home, I'm creating a part block and changing its scale a little bit. I think it will be okay. Maybe a little bit wider. Now I will create the new one, Control D, and change its size. Actually, I want to do it higher, like twice higher than the first one, something like that. And now let's move it like that, go down, and like this. Let's see what happens. Yes, I think it works. Now let us create the new one, Control D, and do it a little bit higher. And move it again. Yep. Okay, I think it's done. I will anchor all of them. And I could color them to different colors, for example, to be nicer. Okay, and now let's see. This is my player. I think it's nice. That's it. Bye.